Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback